Okay, so here's the deal. I just want to give you guys an incredible deal on Legend. Legend is an EDP fragrance that we developed at Pete and Pedro, all right? This was the last one that we ordered. Basically, we ordered too much of it, and I need to get rid of some of this, all right? So if you're interested in checking out Legend, Legend is inspired by Tom Ford's effing fabulous, and it is effing fabulous. Honestly, guys, if you're looking for an incredible fragrance, you gotta check this out, because right now I'm gonna give it to you for 50% off. Literally, it's like $25. This fragrance in the store, if you were to go buy like Tom Ford's effing fabulous, literally it's like $500. But right now, if you're interested in while supplies last, I've got a special link, I got a special discount code. If you're interested in grabbing one of these and helping your boy out for 25 bucks, you're gonna get it literally for 50% off for a limited time and while supplies last. Literally half price, all right? If you wanna buy two, but this fragrance is amazing. Go read the reviews, guys. I'm telling you, it is a lady killer. You're gonna get tons of compliments. This stuff is incredible, effing fabulous specifically. Gentlemen, hit the link down below. Use that discount code for a limited time. Like I said, you can get Legend for 50% off.